Welcome back for episode 9 of Cooking with Mama Theresa. Just a reminder, if this is your first time joining the show, my name is Richard and I am Mama Theresa's son. My mama grew up in Calabria, Italy, where her passion for cooking began. My mama's food is so good, I started this show so I could share mama's amazing recipes with the world. And up until now, every show has been on how to prepare Italian dinner entrees. So today we're going to feature one of mama's go-to breakfast recipes, one that I've been eating since growing up as a little kid in Italy. And this is mama's Italian egg breakfast. And let me tell you, this is such a hearty breakfast. When I would eat this breakfast as a kid, lunchtime would come and I wouldn't even be hungry yet. This is a good meal before a hard day's work or play in my case. Okay, here's the ingredients that you're gonna need. 4 large eggs. Oh, wait a minute, where are my eggs? I forgot the eggs. Mama, can you bring me 4 large eggs, please? I'm telling you guys, you have never had eggs this tasty, and you just wait, you're in for such a surprise. Thank you, Mama. What are you doing? Mama, what are you doing? Mama says this is what I get for forgetting the most important ingredients. Mama, I broke one. I need another one. Thank you, Mama. Mama says that I remember to put my underwear on this morning. Yes, Mama, I love you. Thank you. Okay, let's try this again. Here's the ingredients that you're going to need. 4 large eggs, 2 English muffins, 2 Italian sausage links, and I'll show you how to crumble those. If you want to substitute the sausage for ground beef, it's a 1/2 cup of ground beef. You're also going to need 1½ cup of What's Cooking Mama pasta sauce, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 4 scallions, and I'm going to show you how to chop those. And this is optional, 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Mama doesn't use salt on this dish, but if you'd like to, that's optional, you can. Okay, here's the tools that you're gonna need. 1 large skillet, 1 spatula, a large mixing spoon, a knife, and one of the most important tools that you're gonna need to create this dish authentic like Mama, and that's you need to pick up one of these What's Cooking Mama aprons at what'scookingmama.net. Okay, step 1, you want to take your olive oil and you want to put it into your frying pan. Okay, just like that. And you want to put it on medium heat. Okay, there we go. Squish it around a little bit, move it around in the dish there. Okay. And step 2, you want to take your onions and you want to chop them. Just like this. You don't want to make them too small. So I'd say about 1/4 inch size, just like this, okay? And now we're going to crumble the sausage. Mama. Yes, I'm crumbling the sausage right now, Mama. What do you mean, how am I crumbling the sausage? Is there more than one way to crumble sausage? Mama says if there's one person in the world who can screw up crumbling sausage, that's me. Don't you worry, Mama. I practiced crumbling sausage all day yesterday. Just like this. Just remove it from the skin. Okay? It's not really any easy way to crumble. You just pull it off the skin. Okay, guys, just follow this directions here, just like this. Okay. Okay, back to step 2. You want to sprinkle your onions over your properly crumbled sausage. You want to saute for about a minute and mix this all up. Okay, kind of break the sausage up a little bit and stir it. And you want to saute for just about a minute, not much longer, okay? A little bit longer here. But I gotta tell you guys, it smells so good. You should smell this dish. If we can only put the smell through the camera, oh my gosh. Okay. Now they seem to be pretty much ready. And step 3, you want to go ahead and you want to put Mama's What's Cooking Mama sauce. I give it a little bit of a stir. And you want to add that to the dish. Okay? And we want to stir this, all right? And you're going to want to cover it and let it cook for a few minutes. All right, so right about now you should put your English muffin in the toaster. And they should be ready by the time the eggs are done. Okay, so step 4, you want to uncover the dish and you want to go ahead and move all the sausage to the edge of the pan. Okay, just like this. Alrighty. Then you want to take your eggs and you want to crack them in the center of the pan. And don't forget, you don't want to break the yolks. All right, let's check the dish. And Mama likes to take some of the sauce and put it over the top of the eggs. Okay? But it looks like we're still cooking. We're not quite there. But this is Mama's little trick. You give a little more flavor to the eggs. Just like that. And I got to tell you guys, if you only smell this dish, my gosh, it's so smelling delicious. And these eggs are singing right now with joy. All right, let's cover it and turn it down just a little bit. So let's check the English muffins. They should be done by now. And now let's dish this out to a single serving plate. Want to go ahead and grab each one of your eggs, set them on your plate, just like this. Okay. Now Mama likes to use this spoon and collect all this sausage and go ahead and put it just on the side, just like this. The reason Mama uses a spoon is she wants to make sure that you grab sausage and sauce together. Okay? Just scoop all of this up. I'm going to try to get it all in here if I can. Okay, so now you want to place your English muffin onto the plate. Okay, just like this. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and garnish it with some fruit. Okay, I like to add some fruit to make it a complete breakfast. Ah, Mama.
Riccardo, l'odore è buono.
Yeah, see? My mama says the smell is magnificent. Mama, you want to try some?
No, io non assaggio niente.
Well, okay, I'm going to go ahead and eat it. It's so good. Please comment below and let us know how yours turned out. And join us next time as we'll be preparing. Mama, what are we making?
Beef stew.
Mama says beef stew, but I think we already made something like that. So join us next time as we'll be preparing, I'm not sure, we'll be preparing something. I love your hat, Mama.
E non ti dimenticare, non li tagliare i cipollini piccoli piccoli perché si bruciano.
No. My mama says if I cut the scallions too small, that they're gonna burn real easy. Okay, Mama, we still have a lot of setting up to do here. Let us get on it, okay?
Io me ne vado dentro.
Okay, bye-bye.
Sotto di stelle.
Ciao, Bella. Ciao, Mama.